Look at this gold USD chart. Price is consolidating. Everything looks calm. Nobody knows what's coming next. Now I'm going to pause right here and tell you that price is about to shoot up from this exact point. You're probably thinking, how does he know about this? Let's scroll forward. And there it is. Price explodes straight up exactly as predicted. Now you want to know how that was possible? It wasn't luck. It wasn't some expensive course. It wasn't a secret indicator. It was a simple price action scalping strategy that teaches you how to read the market in real time and get in and out before most traders even realize what happened. In this video, I'm breaking down this scalping strategy completely free, step by step. Alright, so let's get into it. The scalping strategy we are covering today is called price action scalping. And trust me, this one is a game changer. Now, price action is the most widely used method among professional scalpers around the world. And the reason is simple. No complex indicators, no confusing signals, just pure chart reading, and extremely powerful. Let's head over to the charts. The first thing we do is open the 15-minute chart. This is our higher time frame. This is where we figure out one thing. Is the market bullish or bearish right now? Because trading with the market direction is the single most important thing in scalping. It instantly improves your accuracy and your confidence. So here on the 15-minute chart, I'm adding just one indicator, the 50 EMA. That's it, nothing else. And see this, price is clearly trending above the 50 EMA. That tells us one thing, this market is bullish. We are only looking for buy trades. We are not selling. We are going with the trend. Now, if you see price trending below the 50 EMA, that's a bearish market, and you only look for sells. And here's something very important. If price is just chopping around, constantly crossing the 50 EMA up and down with no clear direction, we stay away. No trade. Knowing when not to trade is just as important as knowing when to trade. Now the next step, and this is where most traders jump in too early and make mistakes. Just because we identified a bullish trend does not mean we enter immediately. We wait. We watch. See this, price is trending above the 50 EMA and pushing up nicely. But now see what happens. Price starts pulling back. It starts moving down toward our EMA. This is the moment we get interested. This is when we start paying attention, because in a bullish trend, pullbacks are not a threat. They are opportunities. So the moment price starts pulling back, we start marking our key support zones in the path of that pullback. Since our trend is bullish, we are only marking support zones. We are not marking resistance. We are not marking random levels. We are focused on one thing only. Where is price likely to bounce up from? And if the trend was bearish, we do the exact opposite. We wait for price to retrace upward and mark resistance zones only. Same logic, just flipped. Now here is the most important question. How do we know which support zone is strong enough to actually react? Because not every level on the chart deserves our attention. Only the strongest ones do. For this, we look for three specific types of zones. Let's first briefly understand how these zones works and how we mark them on charts. Zone number 1, and we call this the fresh zone. When price breaks above a resistance level, that resistance turns into a support zone. This is something every trader knows, but here is the part that most traders completely miss. When price breaks through that resistance and shoots up, it leaves something behind at that breakout point. Buyers who are waiting to buy the retest of that level, and sellers who are not convinced the breakout was real, so they are also waiting at that same zone. Both sides have orders sitting right there, so when price comes back down and touches that level for the very first time, see this, all those orders get activated at once. Buyers step in aggressively, sellers get proven wrong and exit their positions, and price bursts straight back up with massive force. This is the fresh zone, the first retest of a breakout level, one of the most explosive and reliable setups on any chart. The key word is first retest, because after that first touch, those orders have already been filled. The zone loses its power. First retest only. That is our rule. Zone number 2, the battle-tested flip zone. See this level right here. Price came to this resistance area and got rejected. Then it came back again, rejected again. And one more time, rejected again. This level fought off every single attempt to break above it. But then, see this? Price finally broke above it. And here is the key thing to understand. Breaking this level was not easy. It took multiple attempts and a massive amount of buying pressure to finally push through. Which means, now that price is above this level, bringing it back below is going to be equally difficult. So when price pulls back and returns to this level as support, this is one of the strongest zones you will ever find on a chart. The market already showed you how hard it was to break this level once. And now, the same battle is happening in reverse, with sellers trying to push back below and failing. This is not just a support zone, this is a fortress, and we treat it exactly like that. Zone number 3, and this one is already sitting there on your chart, the 50 EMA itself. See this? In a strong uptrend, price does not just shoot up in a straight line. It moves up, pulls back, touches the 50 EMA, and then bounces back up again, over and over. The 50 EMA acts as a dynamic support zone in a bullish market and a dynamic resistance zone in a bearish market. So when price pulls back and touches the 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart, that is not a warning sign, that is an opportunity, especially when the 50 EMA lines up with one of our other two zones. When that happens, that confluence makes the zone even stronger and the probability of a reaction goes up significantly. So we already have the indicator on the chart. We just need to respect what it is telling us. Now we have our trend confirmed and our strongest zones marked. We do not enter here. We wait. We let price come to us. The market always comes back to these levels. Our job is simply to be ready when it does. Alright, so now let me show you exactly how this scalping strategy works in a real trade. Step by step, right here on the chart. See this Bitcoin 15-minute chart. Price is clearly trending above the 50 EMA. Market is bullish. We are only looking for buy trades. Now see this level right here. Price was consolidating in this area, trying to break above it but struggling. And then, see this. A strong green candle breaks above it cleanly, and price shoots straight up. That resistance has now flipped into support. This is our fresh zone. Both buyers and sellers have orders sitting right at this level waiting to be activated. We mark this zone and we wait. And see this. Price starts pulling back and comes straight back down into our fresh zone. This is exactly what we were waiting for. The moment price enters our zone, we switch to the 1-minute chart. Now here we are on the 1-minute chart, and the first thing we do, we remove the 50 EMA. Here is why. On the 15-minute chart, the 50 EMA helped us identify the trend direction. That job is done. But on the 1-minute chart, price moves so fast that the 50 EMA constantly lags behind. It gives you late signals and clutters your chart. We don't need it here. Our zone is already marked. That is our only guide. Clean chart, clear mind. And see this. Price comes down into our fresh zone on the 1-minute chart. It touches the zone and bounces up slightly. Then it comes back down one more time, touches the exact same level again, and bounces again. That right there is our double bottom forming perfectly inside the fresh zone. 2 touches, 2 rejections. Sellers tried twice to break this level and failed both times. That is the market telling you. Buyers are ready to step in hard. Now see this neckline I'm drawing across the high point between the 2 bottoms. This is our trigger, and see this candle. Price pushes up, breaks above the neckline and closes above it. That is our entry signal. We go long right there, no hesitation. Pattern confirmed, we execute. Stop loss goes just below the second bottom, right here. Take profit at 2RR, twice the distance of our stop loss, and see what happens. Price pushes up strongly and hits our take profit level. Trade closed, profit locked. Clean scalp on Bitcoin using the fresh zone scalping strategy. Now let me show you the sell side of this scalping strategy using our third zone, the 50 EMA. See this gold 15-minute chart. Price is trending below the 50 EMA, which tells us the market is bearish. So we are only looking for sell trades. Now see this. Price starts retracing upward and heading straight toward the 50 EMA. In a bearish market, the 50 EMA acts as a dynamic resistance. Every time price comes up and touches it, it gets rejected back down. So this 50 EMA line right here is our sell zone. We mark it and we wait. And see this, price touches our zone. And right at that zone, see this red candle forming on the 15-minute chart. Price is getting rejected from our zone. This is the confirmation we needed. Now we switch to the 1-minute chart. 50 EMA removed. Clean chart. Our zone is already marked. That is our only guide. And see this. Price pushes up to the top of the zone and gets rejected. Then it pushes up one more time to the exact same spot and gets rejected again. 2 attempts, 2 failures. Buyers could not break above this level. Now this is the moment we have been waiting for. See this large red candle forming right here. This is the market confirming that sellers are in full control at this zone. We enter short at the close of this candle. Stop loss goes above the zone, right here. Because if price closes above that level, the zone is broken and the setup is invalid. Take profit at 2RR below our entry, and see what happens. Price doesn't even hesitate. It drops straight down, no pullback, no struggle, and hits our take profit clean. Trade closed. Profit locked. That is the 50 EMA zone doing exactly what it is supposed to do. Now, before we wrap up, a few quick tips to make this scalping strategy work better for you. First, always confirm your trend on the 15-minute chart before jumping to the 1-minute. Skipping this step is the #1 mistake scalpers make. Second, wait for the candle to fully close before entering. One impatient entry on an unconfirmed candle can ruin a perfect setup. And third, if the pattern is not clean and clear, skip the trade. No setup, no trade. If this video helped you, smash that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel grow massively. And if you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new scalping strategy video. Also, if you have a friend who is into trading, share this video with them. Let's help more traders learn the right way. And before you go, quick disclaimer. This video is purely for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before placing any real money trades. Trade safe and see you in the next one.